お水 Show you what I got. I got 2 postcards. First one, it's really pretty. It's a cute business card. Got this postcard of this famous view in Ise. And then today from Uji, I got 2 hand towels for the house. I'll open them. Here's the first pattern that I got. It's really pretty. I like the color too. There's this pretty sakura pink one. Now I'm gonna put these on my wall. Today's just gonna be a regular kind of chill day. I'm not really doing much, but I wanted to go outside today. I'm gonna run a couple errands, but I'm also gonna stop by a couple temples and shrines. And also today's camera is gonna be this one. It's so hot today, like it feels really humid and there's no breeze. It feels so humid out right now. I'm like instantly started sweating as soon as I stepped outside. Grocery haul. First thing I got was some pineapple, lettuce, these peaches that were on sale, and I'm gonna eat these tonight. When I went to the grocery store, I was only planning on getting 2 things, but I ended up getting a lot more. But the main thing that I wanted to get was some tuna and some salmon because I want to make a poke bowl. This is my favorite Japanese sausage. It's this lemon flavor. Lastly, I ran out of fruit, so I got my usual golden kiwis and these jazz apples. Since I've been craving tuna so much, I just decided I'm gonna make like marinated tuna. I'm gonna save the salmon for tomorrow. Leftover vegetables like a carrot, cucumber, and a tomato. So I'm just gonna make like a simple side salad. It's my first time cutting fish, so I'm not really sure how to do this correctly. I'm gonna cut this really thin, like this, and add it to the tuna. This is my dinner. I have just like my onions and tuna just marinated in soy sauce. And then for my simple salad, I have cucumber, tomato, and onion. I put salt, pepper, ponzu, and sesame oil. I've been really craving something like light and refreshing, and I think this will be perfect. Itadakimasu. I haven't bought tuna from my grocery store before, surprisingly, and it's really good. Show you guys the 3 goshin that I got today. This first one I got from Fushimi Inari. the first one, the second one. I only have 3 spots left in my book before I'm done with this gosuinto. Okay, dessert, I have this peach and some pineapple. Good morning. So today I'm going to be meeting my friends in Osaka. I'm about to head out because I need to stop by the bank before I go. We're meeting at this mall. We're planning to get some lunch and then we're going to get some shaved ice.